After natin ma-define yung calendar, we can now create WBS in Primavera P6. Pero before ko ituro sa inyo paano mag-add ng WBS, alamin muna natin kung ano ang WBS. Ang WBS stands for Work Breakdown Structure. Isa itong hierarchical-based structure kung saan hinahati natin yung project into smaller components para mas madali itong i-manage or i-monitor. On our example, pwede din natin ito hatiin into smaller components like structural, architectural, and MEPs. Or if ang project nyo is vertical structure or building, pwede nyo i-break down yung schedule nyo into floors. Para makagawa ng WBS, dapat nasa WBS workspace tayo. So para makapunta sa WBS window, pwede nyo i-click ito or pwede kayo pumunta sa project, then WBS. Lalabas itong WBS tab and dito natin naayusin yung hierarchical arrangement ng WBS natin. Itong nakikita nyo dito is yung project natin. By default, siya yung unang WBS ng project mo. Hindi natin yan pwede i-delete kasi it represents the whole project. So gagawa tayo ng WBS under that project. Para makagawa ng WBS, we can right-click anywhere here and then select natin yung add. Alternatively, pwede din kayo mag-add ng WBS using this button sa right sidebar. If we click that, magdadagdag si Primavera ng WBS under our project. Makikita nyong under ito ng project by looking at the lines here sa gilid and naka-indent ito dun sa project na yan. Just like EPS, we can rename this WBS. For WBS code, hindi ko na ine-edit yan since automatic na siya napapalitan kapag nag-add ka ng bago. For WBS name, depende ito kung paano nyo babasagin yung project. On this example, babasagin ko to into structural, architectural, and MEPs. Your architectural, pwede ko pa yan basagin into wet works, dry works, and painting. Yung MEPs din, pwede pa natin yan basagin into electrical, plumbing, and potable water. So, gawin natin yan dito sa Primavera. Pwede natin i-rename itong unang WBS to structural. Now, mag-add ulit tayo ng architectural. Let's click add, and ito yung mangyayari. Naging under ito ng structural. This is because nung clinic natin yung add button, nakaselect yung structural WBS. Kaya dun pumasok yung bagong WBS. We can adjust that using the move button sa kanan. So, i-rename lang natin to into architectural. Now, idagdag naman natin yung MEPs. This time, select ko muna yung project name, then click add. As you can see, hindi na siya pumasok dito sa architectural or structural kasi yung project mismo ang sinelect natin before we add the WBS. So, let's rename this WBS to MEPs. Now, idagdag din natin yung iba pang WBS, yung wet works, dry works, and painting works. Nakalagay ito lahat sa architectural. So, select lang natin yung architectural, WBS, then click add. Rename natin itong first item as wet works. Click ulit natin yung architectural WBS, then let's add the dry works. And then last is yung painting works. Pwede din tayo mag-copy ng WBS. Let's try it dito sa MEPs. Since meron din itong tatlong WBS, we can copy the WBS of architectural. Select lang natin yung mga WBS na kakopyan natin. Then right-click, copy. Now, make sure na selected yung MEPs WBS, then right-click, paste. May lalabas dito na window. Since wala pa naman tayo ng mga to, we can ignore this. Click mo lang itong do not show this dialog again para hindi na ito lumabas next time. Let's click OK and then click OK ulit. After nyan, sa MEPs na papasok yung mga WBS na kinopya natin. I-rename na lang natin ito into electrical, plumbing, and potable water. Just like EPS, pwede nyo din ilipat-lipat yung mga WBS. Pupunta nyo lang yung mouse cursor nyo dito sa gilid hanggang magbago yung cursor nyo, just like this. Then, click and drag mo yung WBS na yon kung saan mo siya gusto ilipat. After natin magawa yan, pwede na tayo bumalik sa Activities Workspace. If hindi lumabas yung WBS dito sa Activities Workspace, click lang natin itong group and sort. Dito sa group by, make sure na nakaselect is WBS. Now, click apply and then click OK. If yung hierarchy ng WBS na nakadisplay dito is iba doon sa hierarchy mo doon sa WBS window, pwede mo i-click yung F5 para ma-refresh yung display. So, halimbawa, pumunta ako sa WBS and then nilipat ko tong electrical, plumbing, and potable water sa structural. Pag pumunta tayo sa activities, hindi automatically nag-update yung ating WBS. So, press lang natin yung F5 para mag-update yung display and then ito na. Same na sila ng hierarchy dun sa WBS natin. So, punta ulit tayo sa WBS. Balik natin siya. And then, refresh ulit natin yung activities by pressing F5. After natin makagawa ng WBS, pwede na tayo magdagdag ng mga activities.